My name is Alden, and I'm in sales and design at Wholesale Solar. Basically, on a day-to-day basis, I talk to customers and help them design grid tie and off-grid solutions. Also, stuff that matches their budget. I went to school for a couple years for environmental studies before switching to business. And while going to school, I learned a little bit about statistics and using solar in business. But this was really my education for learning how solar systems work. I think my favorite thing about working here is that I get to work with a bunch of employee owners who are passionate about this industry. So I feel like I really am part of the ownership team here. And that's really unique. Outside of Wholesale Solar, I'm a elite gamer on the PC. I've been a snowboard instructor before this job for 9 years, so I'm an avid snowboarder. And I'm a musician. I play in a 12-piece funk band locally. I've been playing piano, both classical and jazz piano, for my whole life. And I'm also a bit of a vocalist and a drummer. No, actually, I'm not a big fan of Disney, and I prefer Japanese anime over American cartoons. I wasn't born in the 80s, but if I had to choose, I would probably go with The Labyrinth. My favorite 90s song would probably be Limp Bizkit Break Stuff. It's so much fun to sing during karaoke.